Hey guys, welcome to Skilldouble. In this video, we'll see how to separate the date from a DateTime column in Power BI. Now, there are many answers out there: split by delimiter, extract first 10 character, or use functions. So, which one is correct? Let's see. Here, I have a simple table with an ID column and a DateTime column. Notice the DateTime column has both date and time. Some people say you can split the column by space or use the first 10 characters. If I split the column by space, I do get the date part. But if I take the first 10 characters, I also get the date. But here's the problem. What if the format changes? Or what if the data comes with AM or PM format? Both methods will break. So, these are just workarounds, not reliable solutions. The best way is to use Power BI's built-in date time functions. Let's do it in Power Query. Select the date time column, go to top menu, click transform date only. That's it. Now we get a proper date column, safe and reliable no matter how the date time looks. You can also do this in DAX. For example, let's create a new column. Go to Modeling tab and click New Column. Type this formula: date only is equal to trunc date time column. This removes the time part and keeps only the date. So the answer is simple. Don't rely on text tricks like splitting or substring. Always use the built-in date function in Power Query or DAX. That way, your reports will be accurate and future-proof. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Skilldouble for more simple and practical Power BI tutorials. And if you have a question, drop it in the comments. I might make the next video on it. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.